Right, today we've got a B&D Control-A-Door S sectional garage door opener that the limits won't set. So I've just set the bottom limit down there. Now I'm just about to set the top limit, and that's by holding down the plus button. The green light's flashing, which means the door will go up. And we should be able to press set and set the top limit. So we're just driving the door open now. So we can stop it about there, that's good. Now the door's open to where we want the top limit set. We should be able to press set now and it should set the top limit. However, we get a double error beep. It's actually 3 beeps, so we get our triple error beep. So I'm pretty sure I know what the problem is here. Let's drive this door back down to the center. What we'll do first, actually, we'll start from scratch. We'll turn off the power. So if you're having this problem with your B&D Control-A-Door S or a similar motor that actually has this DATUM adjustment screw, I'll show you how to fix it. So we'll turn the power back on. So we are in limit set mode at the moment. If you're not in limit set mode, hold the set button down when you turn the power on until all the beeping stops after about 5 or 6 seconds, and then you'll go into limit setting mode. All right, so now the red light's flashing. That means we can press the minus or red circle with the minus inside of it. Hold that down. Now the door will start to close. The thing we want to look for is that status light coming under that DATUM adjustment screw. So that door is about halfway now and we still haven't had that status light come on. So that's our issue. That light should come on about the midway point of your garage door. So what we're going to do is grab our flathead screwdriver. That didn't work very good, did it? Let's try that again. I've got my flathead screwdriver. So now you want to stick that into the flathead screw where it says DATUM adjust and just turn it slightly until the orange light comes on. All right. The orange light has come on. The door's at the midway point. So what we'll do, we'll turn the power off and back on again, just to reset that DATUM point. Now we'll start that again. We'll set the bottom limit by holding down the minus button. Tiny bit more. That's looking good. All right, press set to set the close limit. So now we can hold down the plus button next to the flashing green light until we get the door to open up completely to the top limit. So as you just heard there, we've passed, the motor just beeped and our status light's gone off. We can go back down to our DATUM point. So that's our halfway point we set our DATUM to. So that's the issue. The motor didn't know where the midway point is, which is the maximum up and down travel. So we should be good. So you just want the door to sit at the bottom of that curve of the track there. If you get any cable noise, I'd recommend to go a bit lower. All right, now we've got our top limit height reached. Let's press the set button and see what happens. There we go, the door's running through the automatic procedure with a force margin. So that light should come on about halfway. There we go, it just flashed. And then one more travel back down again, and we should see that orange light flicker about the halfway point. There we go. So there you go, that's how you fix your B&D Control-A-Door S or any other garage door motor. There's the ATA motors as well, automatic technology units, the GDO9. and a few other units in the same B&D and ATA models that have this DATUM adjustment screw. Set that first and you should be all good to go.
I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching.